This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
The next revolution in automation has arrived, but it doesn't walk, it glides. What you're looking at is AEON, from the industrial tech giant Hexagon. Forget what you know about traditional robots. AEON is built on three core principles: to be agile, versatile, and completely aware. And they are not just marketing words. First, agility. Traditional factory robots are bolted to the floor. AEON is completely autonomous, using self-balancing wheels to navigate complex environments with dynamic precision. Watch how it handles this incline without a single stutter. That is incredibly difficult to do. But here's where it gets interesting. Look closer. This isn't just movement, it's intelligence. Its hands aren't just grippers. They are sensor-packed tools that can identify and manipulate parts with pinpoint accuracy. This is the versatility. It's not just programmed for one single, repetitive task. It learns through experience, in real time. It can assemble complex components one moment and handle large, delicate frames like this car door the next. The system is constantly improving itself. But this is the mind-blowing part: awareness. AEON doesn't just see with cameras, it uses advanced spatial intelligence to build a living digital map of its entire environment. It knows where everything is and where everyone is, which allows for this: not just one robot, but an entire workforce, a fleet of autonomous machines working together in perfect sync, sharing data and awareness to collaborate on complex tasks without ever colliding. This isn't a single product, it's a platform. Hexagon hasn't just built a new robot, they've created the blueprint for the factory of the future. The age of the truly autonomous workforce isn't coming, it's here. This is the future, delivered. For more breakdowns of the AI breakthroughs shaping our world, make sure you're subscribed to AIX.